Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to remove ghost bubbles from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung device manager, and then click mo lang dito yung open. So, dito sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung human interface devices. Ito siya. So, kailangan mo lang i-click tong arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then next step ay kailangan lang i-locate yung USB input. So, scroll down and then ito na siya. So, ang next step, so select mo lang siya, right click. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung properties. And then dito sa kanyang properties, ang next step ay dito lang sa taas, kailangan mo lang select dito yung power management. Ito siya. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then next step, dito lang sa allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. So, kailangan mo lang siyang i-uncheck. So, uncheck. And then click mo lang dito yung okay. Right? So, ang next solution na pwede natin gawin. So, dito lang sa search menu, and then, kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung settings. And then, click mo lang dito yung open. And then, dito sa settings, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Bluetooth and devices. So, click mo lang yan. And then, next step dito sa Bluetooth and devices. So, scroll down at hanapin natin dito yung touch. Okay? Ito siya. So, i-click mo lang yung touch. And the next step, dito lang sa related settings, makikita mo dito yung touch indicator, visual feedback when touching the screen. So, kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And the next step dito sa kanyang touch indicator, dito lang sa right side, kailangan lang natin itong i-turn off. Okay? So, dito sa right side, i-click mo lang yung turn off button niya, click mo lang siya. Okay? So, hope na na-resolve yung problems. And another solutions, if the error still persists, so close lang natin tong settings. And then dito lang ulit sa search menu. And then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung device manager. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo ulit i-select dito yung human interface devices. So click mo lang tong arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung touchscreen. Ito siya. Okay? So, HID compliant touchscreen. So, ang gagawin natin dito, so select mo lang siya. Kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then, select mo lang dito yung update driver. And then, pop up itong dalawang options na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer. So, select ka lang dito sa dalawa. And then, select lang natin itong search automatically and then tap lang natin yan. At automatic mga kaibigan na the best drivers for your device are already installed. So, ang next step, so close lang natin. And then, dito lang sa start menu and then kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Click mo na dito. Okay, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to remove ghost touch bubbles from Windows 10 and Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.